You are welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create cinematic video effect. So without further ado, before we continue with the process on how you can achieve the cinematic video effect, I will be showing you a video of a cinematic video I created 2 years past. So watch and enjoy. So you saw how everything came in the video, and you saw how popping everything was. So we'll go to the process now. So let's go to the Pixel. If you have this Pixel app YD installed on your phone, good for you. Then you are on track, because we'll be needing it in this video. But if you don't have it installed on your phone, you can check my description below and go to my Google Drive. Then you install from there. And if you don't know the process on what you are supposed to do, you can go to your Play Store and install from your Play Store. Whichever one you prefer is less for you. So this is my interface from here for my own Pixel app. I will click on test. You should have an idea on Pixel app already. So let me click on this A button to add in test. This is it. Okay, so now I'll click on test, and then I will type in Raph concept. Yeah, in the video I made use of a Raphael Onu, but in this video, for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to make use of Raph concept. So see that place I'm pointing, you click on it and make everything capital letter. All right, you click on the centralized button and you make it at the middle, and you click a good button. Then I want to change this background color, although we will not be needing background. You just click on this point there, change this to color, go to color, make it all black. Good, and I click on the good button. All right, so let me click on font again and rush to the font icon, and then there's a font I made use of here, and the name of the font is negro something. Coming 100% free. It's called the horror. It's under the sublayer of a font they call horror font. Yeah, horror. See it, horror. See it. That's the name, horror. This horror font. See it here. So that is it, and I made use of this one here. See it. This one. All right, this is it. See, this one I made use of. So I will click on this. Nego type. You see it's having a feel of, let me increase it, let me still increase so that you see it's having a feel like it's something like that is old nature. That is what I want, because it will bring out the perfect effect for me for this video. So I will centralize this, put it in the middle, then I will go to spacing, this spacing here, and let me just reduce it to 4. 2, no, okay, 2 is okay, and I click on decentralize, but let me click on the relative size and make it let me make it 100. All right, then I click on the centralized button and good. Then you will do what you are going to do. Still on test, see where I'm clicking from this point. Still on test, I will scroll to texture. See, this is the texture I'm talking about, texture. All right, I'll click on it, and then I will click on this point. Good, let me click on it now. All right, so if you see me, I've already created some of the tests for the purpose of this tutorial, because the video I made was done 2 years ago, but I deemed it fit that it's fine for me to teach my you people on YouTube again. That's why I'm making it. So if you can see, these are different wooden effect background. See them, wooden effect backgrounds that I just downloaded, but I prefer this, and I'll tell you the reason why I prefer this. Don't worry, let's see. So let me click on this texture, and then I click OK. You see how very shiny this came out in this dark background, but I'm coming, let me make use of the other texture background. Let you see, let me make use of this. Okay, you see it's dark, it's not bright here. And what is the law of contrast of color? I see bright colors on dark background and light colors on dark colors on light background. So let me click the undo button and make use of it. So after I'm done with this and I'm satisfied with the color, I will now click on this point there. Let me click on it, then I click here. See, I click here and the background will become transparent. When I'm done, I now click on this point, and then I click on save as image. I click on save as image, then I choose default and I click ultra. Then the ultra, now I would click on save to gallery, but I've already saved this to my gallery, so there's no need for me to save. But you just have to click on the save to gallery and it will tell you image saved to gallery successfully. Good. So I want to go back. So once you are done saving that, you still click on the text again, you click on it, then you edit it. That's you. So it's Raph concept is hosting, then I make it capital letter. You see, then I increase the text again. Let me just put it at 120, and I click good button. Then I make this and I make this at the middle. Then I still do the same process I use in expecting. I make it transparent background. That's it, without a background. See, this is a transparent background. Then I click on the save as image, and then I click on author, and then I'll do what? Finally save to my gallery. So that is how I did for all the tests I was using. I had to do them and edit all of them from my pixel app here. So I'm going to stop it for the purpose of, I don't want the video to be very long. See, it's already getting longer. So you can pause this video here and then work with your test before you go to the KineMaster app. So meet me in the KineMaster app. All right, so let's open the KineMaster app. We are already in the KineMaster app, so you click on the create button. I hope nobody is new to this again, and I'm not going to waste a lot of time explaining this aspect ratio again. So we are going to be working with the 16:9 ratio for this, and then I'll click on the 16:9 and I click on create, and I'll click on allow KineMaster. You will know that trick I told you about. So you have to create all of your videos before 24 hours. If not, you have to uninstall and install again. If you want to understand what I'm saying, watch my previous video. All right, so you will go to downloads. I'm going to be dropping this video layer with you. Sorry, it's not that. We'll first of all bring in our image asset, and we'll bring in a dark background. Yeah, good. Yes, then you see we just brought in a background. Okay, that's good. So you will click on layer. This is the layer button here. So then you click on media. We want to bring in the video as an overlay. Then I click on this video, just click on OK, and everything will load. Good. Then I hope you know where I clicked. You can click on anywhere. Either you click at this point, to exit, or you click anywhere around this place or around the video, and you'll be granted access. So that is it. So this is the video. Then I will long press and make this let me make this yeah, I will make the black background the same duration with the video. So let me hold and stop somewhere here. I think it's okay. So let's play to see what we have. okay, you hear it. So that is it. So this is it. I will now click on media to bring in the test I made. So this is the pixel app. If you can see, I will bring in this Raph concept first. That is good. Then let me increase it. You see how shiny this test is here. Let me increase it and then centralize it. Good. Then I will leave it. I will click on the video itself. See this video, I'll click on it. So let me click on the video. Good. Then I click on these three dots here. I know you know the three dots I'm talking about. These three dots, you click on it. All right, then I'll click on bring to front. All right, so the video is still clicked in, so I will go to blending. This is the blending here, blending to here. Okay, blending to. Then I would when I click on the blending tool, then I'll scroll down till I see screen. Then I click on screen. Good. As you can see, our test is now showing. That's perfect. That's perfect. So let's play to see what we have. All right. So this is the point. I will hold this. Let me drag. All right. So I want to see this and drag to the point where it disappears. Okay. So let me still drag a little more, and then there is it. See it. All right. So let's play. Okay. So this is it. Okay, you saw how this thing was coming in. See it, how it came in here. See how it, like, see all these points where all these light flashes, like, see all the points where all these light flashes are happening. That is where you insert the test you made from pixel app. So let's see. All right, so that is, so let's add in animation to this. Let's add in an in animation. The in animation I want to add, when I made use of that video, was rubber stamp. Yes. Then I made it 0.5 seconds. All right, so the out animation I made use of was what was the out animation? I think it should be snap up. No, not snap down. No, not that one. Snap inward or snap close. No, it is snap inward. Then I made the transition 2.5. The duration of the transition 2.5. Right? Why is this thing slow somehow to me? I don't understand. Okay, I made the transition, the duration 0.5. Good. So I've gotten it 0.5. So let's play to see what we have. No, this is not really tallying with what. Okay, the in animation 2.5. Good. Then the out animation 0.1. Good. So that is it. So let's play to see what we have. All right, you are seeing it, but you are seeing how it is. But this test, it feels to me like it's too big. So let me reduce a little. Let me reduce it a little, and then yeah, so that it will not be too big more on the screen. So whenever you see this 3 cross button like this, like something like a plus button crosses, mean the tests are on the same side. But let me see, reduce this again. It looks too big on the screen here. So I think this is okay. All right, so there is it. So let's bring in our other test. So this, as this is breaking, like, see it now. You saw how this went out. Very good. As this is coming in, you can just click. If you want to get it perfectly, you can click at this point here. Just click on this and thing on top of this, and you click on it. Let me click on it now. You see it have changed to blue. That means you have marked there. So whatever you bring in, when you just bring in your, when you click on your media and you go to your pixel app, where you can just bring in the circumtext and it will come under it immediately. Then I will increase it. Is hosting. Oh, why is this thing refusing to be in the middle? Good. So let's play to see what we have. See how the host, but I don't like how the hosting came in, so let me just increase it a little. Okay, so let's see. I love how this came in. It's hosting, so let me add in an in animation. I don't want to add in an in animation here. It's just out animation that I want to add, and that out animation I used was I think it should be snap down. No, it is wipe up, Abby. No, wipe up, wipe right. No, snap upward. Where did which particular distance did I use? Or is it scale up? Yeah, that's the admission. So I made it 0.1. Yeah, to have that fast effect. So that is it. So see it. You saw the second point where this one came in. See it. Okay, see it. Let's target it and then see where it came in. Okay, so I'll click on media and I bring in my text again. 3 days. Good. And then I increase. I centralize. This should be a bit too bigger because it's like this is where the whole message is. So I'll centralize this and then make this. Yeah, good. Then I want to add an out animation, still that scale up I used. Then I'll increase it to 0.1. Good. So let's see play. Alright, see where this one came in. So see it came in here. Good. So I'll click on media and then add my free video editing, 3 days free video editing master. Then I increase and then place in the middle. This is middle plus, and it's good. Then I want to add an animation on this. I'll put it at fade. Then I'll put it at 0.1. Yeah, minus 0.1. Then the art animation will still be wipe up, right? I think no, you should scale up. Don't forget, please scale up. Where is that scale? Where is it snap up? No, it is scale up. Okay, so now put it at 0.1. Good. All right, so let's still play to see what we have. See where this last one came in. See where this last one came in here, like this. You see where this last one came in. You just target it and then you add your join now. All right, so this is where the join now comes in. Then you centralize it and then let me add an in animation fade 0.1. No, should it be fade? No, it should be slide left. No, it should be enter slide left. No, enter slide right. Oh, something like wipe right. Yeah, then I'll put it at 2.2 inches. Yeah, I think I like this. And I'll put it at the out animation will be diverge. I still remember vividly the animation I used for that video that time. Diverge. Then I'll put it at 2 inches. Good. All right, so let's play to see what we have. All right, the video is already getting longer, and I don't want it to be longer than 22 minutes. So that is how it is. Then mind you, there's something I want to, it should, in case the what you want to add in this particular video is too long, you can duplicate the video and then add your text into it. Hope you're understanding me. Yes sir. So there's something I want you to do in this video that we haven't yet done. You click on this setting here, click on the setting, then you click on video. Please follow up. If you don't follow up, you click on video, then you turn on this layers here, these layers and this layer, turn it on. Good. So let's turn it on. So I've turned it on, then you come to this point and decrease it to 1 second. So this is 1 second, 1 second, and then 1 second. Good. Then I go back. Okay, so the reason, because it's like the delay, like it should be 1 second delay, you understand? 1 second delay for the starting of the video and 1 second delay for the ending. So good. So we'll now we'll click on our asset store. I want us to download the cinematic frame. So let's download the cinematic frame. We'll go to our asset store. That side I cycled, we click on this. Remember I said your data should be on. Yeah, so when your data connection is on, good, then you click on these stickers here, see them. This is the sticker, click on this. Okay, so we are clicking on it now. These are the stickers. Then we'll scroll, you keep scrolling till you see cinematic frames. Okay, or you just click on frames. Good, then see the first one, see them. These are the cinematic frame, this one, and then when you scroll down you will see another cinematic frame. So let's download the both. So you download the both. So as this is downloading, you see it has downloaded. Let's go quickly to download the second one, then we'll download the both. All right, so they are done downloading. You go back, then you click on stickers. Now after you are done downloading, you click this point there, stickers. Okay, then you look for, this is the classic frames, see them, classic frames. Then you click on the classic frames, cinematic frame I mean to say. Then you click on the last one, which is this. All right, so let's click on the last. Good. Okay, you are seeing what popped up here. See it, you saw what popped up here. So we just want to look as if the video is inside a frame, like a cinematic frame, like people are watching it, you understand, like in a cinema. Yes, that's the level I can explain to. If you don't understand, again, just try and replicate what I'm doing so that you understand. Good. So let's play, let's see. Okay, you are seeing the difference now. You saw how, see, the cinematic frame stopped somewhere here. You saw the difference from that point where it wasn't again. So you just hold it and drag the cinematic frame to the end of your video. To the end of your video. And please, while I'm doing this, I want to pass, please try and replicate this. Practice. If you don't practice, there's no way you will be a perfect video creator. So please endeavor you practice. I'm going to drop this video resource in my Google Drive, replicate it, join my Telegram group and send it there, and I will see it and correct you for mistakes you have made. If you don't understand anything, replay and watch this video, because they say you cannot watch something at first and have an understanding of it. So I'm always open to make corrections and to scale you higher in your smartphone video editing. So with this now, I will proudly say we are done with our cinematic video creation, and let me just play to see what we have. So try and replicate. Remember, please try and replicate. In fact, you can message me on WhatsApp. My number is on my YouTube channel, my description. When you go there, you see it, and there's a link you can use to message me on WhatsApp. If you can't join my Telegram, you can message me on WhatsApp and send me the video you create, and I'll be glad to correct you. So thank you for watching.